In this video, we'll be looking for HLOOKUP. Now, if you see on the screen, I have a table. Now, if you see in the previous one, vertical table, now this is a horizontal table. How do you understand a horizontal table? If you see, I have the row headings. Earlier, I had something column headings. If I apply a function on this, it becomes a HLOOKUP. Now, what exactly is HLOOKUP for? If you see, I have written here top products like say mobile phone, camera and all, and product code, quantity and price. With respect to the product, I want to find out the price. I have written here a top product as mobile phone, and if I want to find out a price, let's say mobile has a price of 26.95. So how I can type a formula for HLOOKUP is the same way, equal to HLOOKUP. Now the very first thing it says as lookup value, comma. Second thing it says as your table array. Now that's my table array. So I'll select here till I get the entire table, and I'll put a comma. Next is the row index number. In VLOOKUP, it was as column index number, but in HLOOKUP, it is row index number. With respect to table, which is the row I want the fourth row, that is the price. So I'll type here comma 4, 4, comma 0. That's it. So now I'm expecting the mobile, that the answer is 26.95 once I press. So I've got the right answer. Let's try one more. If I want the answer for the cosmetics, so I'll just type here cosmetics. I'll copy paste. Control C, Control V. So right, so I've got the answer for cosmetics, that is 35.95. So same way, like vertical lookup, that is VLOOKUP, we have something here HLOOKUP, and the only difference is instead of column index number, we have to put as row index number, and instead of VLOOKUP, I have to put the answer as HLOOKUP. So that's all for this video.